nandito na. Tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko, o aking giliw.
Mayor! Gusto ba ng bansa? Naglayang ibabaw sa ulos para yun balangay.
Padayon sa imong halata, padayon sa imong
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give all the applause to our city mayor, Honorable Inigo of the city officials.
City Mayor, Engineer Ronnie Vicente Silanado, Congressman Honorable Jose S. Aquino II, City Vice Mayor Honorable Lawrence Manuel H. Fortune, our former councilors Derek Plaza, Attorney Rama Bordeos, Ferdinand Belfar, Attorney Glenn Matana, to our city councilors Honorable Joseph Omar Andaya, Honorable Conrad P. Ortega, Honorable Yasiaga, Honorable John Neil S. Mulay, Honorable Cherry May G. Busa, Honorable Ernest John C. Sancho, Honorable Victor Vicente G. Plaza, Honorable S. Gonzalez, Honorable Arturo P. Gado, Bigan ng mga purong barangay president, Honorable Drama P. Tabano, SK Federation President, Honorable Joseph Manuel L. Garcia, 86 punong barangays and council. Big thanks as well to our Butuan department heads, employees, regional line agencies, non-government organizations, and guests. Also to the families of the city officials. Big thanks as well to our Mutya Homutuan 2023, Ms. Shane Melihor and her court. Also to our Mutya Homutuan 2024 candidates. We would also like to acknowledge our working committee, Office of the City Mayor, City Executive Management Department, City Public Information Division, City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Department, City Transportation and Traffic Management Department, City Education Development Department, City Economic and Business Development Department, City Engineering Department, City Civil Security Division, City Budget Department, City Treasury Department, City Accounting Department, City General Services Department, City Procurement Management Services Department, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Department, City Environment and Natural Resources Department, Philippine National Police PRO 13, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Butuan City Police Office, Bureau of Fire Protection, and the City Band. We would like to thank our sponsor, our major sponsor, Congressman Jose Joboy S. Aquino II, Edfield Construction, Old Home Butuan, Almond Inland Hotel, and Inigo, Balangay Hotel. Solutions Incorporated, Ads Catering Services, Pico Libertad, Gaisano Mall, Go Hotels Butuan, Hotel Oasis, White Auto Supply and Bakery, Lima Desk Kitchen, LNT Catering Services, Mitsubishi Motors, Mobile Store Libertad Branch, Nature's Prayer, Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated, Radio Cervado, Red Bomb Sweets and Restaurant, RMN GXPC, Rose Bake Shop, San Miguel Brewery, San Miguel Groups Incorporated, Smart Communications Incorporated, Universal Romina Corporation, Virginia Food Products, VJ Sports Bar and Ihaw, and Weagle's Garden. Once again, a big round of applause and thank you to our city officials, city councilors, working committee, and to our sponsors. Dance Project, G7 Dance